Hello everyone. Welcome to Food, Travel and Lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about fenugreek seeds. These seeds are really amazing seeds and has amazing health benefits. Today we are going to explore what are its benefits and how to get maximum of its benefits. So let me show you all what are fenugreek seeds. So you can see this, these are fenugreek seeds. These are small seeds which comes from a small plant. What we are going to do is, we are going to take 1 teaspoon. So please make sure you take in the right quantity. 1 teaspoon. And what we are going to do is, we are going to put in the water and soak it overnight. So why this method? Because this will give you the maximum benefits of this fenugreek seeds. What will happen next morning when you see this water and the seeds, the water will change to yellowish color. And what you have to do is stir the water in the morning and just drink the water. It will give you the best benefit and the best advantages of fenugreek seeds. It has multiple health benefits. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron. They are rich in fiber. It will give you vitamin B. It has manganese and many other benefits. So let me take you to all the benefits one by one and wish you all good health in life.
So let's see the benefits of fenugreek seeds. Benefit 1. It controls diabetes. Taking fenugreek seeds lowers blood sugar levels. The hypoglycemic effect of fenugreek has been specially documented in humans with type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Please take it regularly to get the results. Fenugreek appears to slow absorption of sugars in the stomach and stimulate insulin. Both of these effects lowers blood sugar in people with diabetes. Benefit 2. Menstrual cramps. Fenugreek seeds reduces pain in women with painful menstrual periods. It reduces need for painkillers. Women can use it to relieve menstrual cramps and to ease other kinds of abdominal pain. Let's go to benefit 3. Breast milk production. Breast milk is the best source of nutrition for baby's development. Fenugreek seeds boost breast milk production. Fenugreek may also help stimulate breast milk production and ease the flow. It is safe and natural alternative. Another important benefit, that is benefit 4, is sexual stimuli. Fenugreek seeds improves ability and interest in sex for both men and women. Studies show it increases libido. Research shows that taking fenugreek seeds improves sperm count in man and increase interest in sex in women. Before we go further, would like to emphasize that soak the fenugreek seeds in clean water overnight and drink the water next morning empty stomach to get maximum benefits. Please soak 1 teaspoon every day and drink its water next morning to stay healthy. Soaking fenugreek seeds overnight allows the seeds to soak up water and rehydrate. Let's continue. Benefit 5. cholesterol levels. Fenugreek seeds lowers cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Taking fenugreek seeds reduce total cholesterol, low density lipoprotein or LDL or bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. It also seems to increase high density lipoprotein or HDL or good cholesterol. Benefit 6. Improve weight loss. Fenugreek seeds suppress the appetite and increase feeling of fullness. This reduces overeating. Fenugreek seeds are rich in fiber that brings feeling of fullness and reduce hunger. Fenugreek seeds flushes out the carbohydrates from the body before they enter the bloodstream, resulting in weight loss. It is excellent for boosting metabolism. Benefit 7. Digestive benefits. Fenugreek seeds strengthen the digestive system and check issues tied to gastritis and bloating. High fiber of fenugreek seeds help in relieving constipation ailments. Fenugreek seeds have restorative and nutritive properties. Let's move to benefit 8. Cancer and tumor. Fenugreek seeds help fight against cancer and tumor. It's mainly due to increased apoptosis. Studies have demonstrated that fenugreek can kill certain cancer cells such as lymphoma and breast cancer cells. And the list goes on with many more benefits such as muscle strength, Parkinson's disease, hormonal disorder, swelling of the vagina, baldness, chronic cough, constipation, hernia, kidney diseases, eczema, and so on. So you can see there are multiple and numerous health benefits of fenugreek seeds. Finally, please remember to soak the fenugreek seeds in clean water overnight and drink the water next morning empty stomach to get maximum benefits. Please soak 1 teaspoon every day and drink its water next morning to stay healthy. I wish you all good health, stay positive and enjoy life. Thank you very much.